Hi everyone, welcome to Lady Golden Lotus channel. Today I want to show everyone that being over the Rocky Museum here in Denver, Colorado. Okay, follow me please. Take everyone to being over the Rockies Museum. This is top 10 aerospace museum in the USA. So we gotta go there and see what is B-52. Go inside. You know where the Rockies and Space Museum. Denver is here and we are here at being over the Rockies. This is the EA6B Prowler. I like to, you can learn here. They'll tell you all the history. Oh, that is on Spanish. Yeah, this is during the Vietnam War for this airplane. So this used to be the Air Force Base, the Lowry Air Force Base here. So they used to be the Air Force Base here. You can see inside the airplane. Tomcat. This is in the manufacturer is Grumman. That's in the Top Gun movie. We have the tour guide. So this is the Sonic Arrow. You see the cockpit? It's like very, very tiny for a very small person or skinny person. This is Jupiter Nose Cone, the first American to survive space flight for female. This bigger. This is the tour guide for the kids.
Students with things over the Rockies and their
Ooh, this one is designed and manufactured in Colorado. It's pretty. Carbonero design. Carbon Arrow. So designed by Bird Rutan for Adam Aircraft in Denver. This is him, the guy who designed this aircraft. It's pretty awesome. US Air Force. This one first. This one is F-86 submarine. Scorpion helicopters. This is the personal helicopter built from kids starting the late 1960s. It looks very pretty. Restoration. Alouette means skylark in French. Flight for Life, Colorado. So this is what, people fly to save people's life, like for medics.
They used to train how to use or how to work.
Look at this. A lot of electronics. Let's see what is this. This is thermonuclear bomb Mark 36. carry these hydrogen bomb from 1956 to 1962. Weighs almost 9 tons and could only be carried by large bomber lighter B-52. It's a large bomb. B-53 nuclear bomb. This is nuclear weapon and blast you 9 megaton. Soviet history is from 62 to 97. This is the nuclear carrier. This is MK7 or Thor nuclear fission bomb. It's all nuclear. It's heavy, of course. Okay, so this one, according to Ryan and Ava, they say this is made by Lockheed Martin, where they used to Brian used to work for Lockheed Martin. So this is the airplane that Lockheed Martin built. Pretty cool. So this one is called 333 Shooting Star. The famous Air Force Thunderbird Air Demonstration Team gave VIP ride in their 333 into the early 1960s. See? Manufactured by Lockheed and designed by their famous aircraft engineer, Clarence Kelly Johnson. To know. I like this one. It's called Little Angel. You have to read about Little Angel here.
That was a kit plane. You could order it and build it.
Oh. It's in the James Bond Octopussy. Die Another Day. So
yeah, I'll send you guys some photos.
it's the kid airplane. Cute little angel. Oh. Stapleton Airport, Denver Primary Airport from 1929 to 1995. Stapleton was replaced by Denver International Airport. And right now it's decommissioned and the airport property redeveloped as a retail and residential neighborhood. Look at that airport.
That's where we are.
It's the mosaic. It's a cute one. This one is twin engine transport military model of the Cessna 310. Called Cessna U-3A. This one used as a light administrative liaison, cargo and utility transport. So this is Gizmo. Gizmo first flight in 1996. Gizmo made the cover of the Experimental Aircraft magazine in 1996. It's pretty cool. So you can see the museum from this higher perspective. So this is the homemade helicopter Model T. Art Murray, do-it-yourself inventor.
I say this has Randall written all over it.
Homeview helicopter, donated his helicopter to the museum in 2005.
Something that he's built.
Bush by Mustang 2. Speed with economy. I like that wood. That's pretty cool.
Found your plane, David. I bet he has built something.
Wonder what is this airplane for? First swept-wing jet fighter flown by the U.S. Used square wing. Do you know why it's just the hole there?
They take the engines out.
Oh,
Normally the engine would be in the back, and
Oh.
it gets its air.
Okay. Cool. Good to know. Because I'm like, why they not have the engine? Helicopter. Flight. Elliot 3. Look at this. This is the Dream Chaser. This is
Yes. Yes. Yep. They're making
it's in a movie Space Between Us. Sierra Nevada Corporation. Currently being built in Colorado with help from United Launch Alliance and Lockheed Martin. Oh, this is another Lockheed one.
Are you familiar with the Dream Chaser?
No. So what is
Well, they're building it here in Louisville, Colorado,
okay.
and it's going to fly for the first time between November of this year and January next year. It'll go up on the nose of a rocket, and then when it comes back down, it'll be like the space shuttle, just lighter.
Oh. Cool. So this is a new one. They're
Yes.
not even
Not even flown yet.
here. Lockheed Martin people come here. It's built by Lockheed.
I
This
remember seeing videos of this.
There
so
was a new one put out last night
Okay.
called Dream Chaser Tenacity.
Dream Chaser. This one gonna take like the pretty much being the space shuttle, bring the people or whatever up, and then fly him back down. Huh. It's pretty cool. Dream Chaser, and what is this? Beechcraft Versatile Twin Beach. This is the military carved. little boy. This one is the atomic bomb. Ooh, this is a replica of the bomb that the American B-29 bomber Enola Gay dropped over the city of Hiroshima. B-18 Bolo bomber. This is the F-1040 Starfighter. Lockheed Martin.
I had a toy of this one when I was a kid.
Look at the seat. Nike smoke. Research pocket. What is that? US Air Force F-105 Thunder Sheep. Ooh. Look at these. This is the helicopter used in Vietnam War. Look at that. Huey. How do you pronounce this? Huey. Huey. Sweet souk. Sweet souk.
Sweet soup.
Sweet souk. Is this Black Hawk Down?
No, this is Vietnam.
Oh.
Well, and after. Whoa, 88 fan well, I'm never going to mess with these.
Phantom. This is Julie. F4 Phantom. Flown by 11 countries other than the United States. The Phantom is a big airplane. How about this one? It's called Speedwell. They have a satellite, I think. Ooh. This is A-70 Corsair 2. Oh, look at the nose arch. This one is pretty. Look at all the art. Ski buckley. all the bomb is carry here. All kind of different bombs. I think the other component is very important as a pilot is the helmet. Like this one is from Air Force A-11 flight helmet since 1940. During World War II, they used this helmet. This is all the US pilot. Not a good shot to film or to make up for this. I hold my fire until I have a shot of less than 20-degree deflection and until I'm within 300 yards. Good discipline on this score can make up for a great deal. Another helmet.
Everything worked good. Bob, thank you so much for being here.
This is Colorado Air National Guard. So this one is specifically for Colorado.
I still never got brave enough to ask them why it upset them so much.
You can see the Major General Joe Moffett outfit. National Guard, March 7, by Alway autograph. History through the decades. Ooh, Star and Stripe map of war area. Thailand is where I came from. They have Gulf of Thailand, they have Sattahip, Bangkok, Lopburi, Korat, Lomsak, Udon, Mukdahan, and Ubon. That is all the air base the US military have in Thailand during the Vietnam War.
Look at the security camera, even that looks like very nice.
The Minutemen. This is the Operation Iraq Freedom. Battlefield Iraq.
That too, that used to be
Yes, nice.
This was used in Vietnam too for
Used.
reconnaissance.
During the Vietnam War. Ground support. This is a cool hanger. Civil aviation. What is it? This is the precision measurement and create accurate 3D topographic from the aerial photographer. Wow, interesting. This is uniform. I love uniform. So I will show you what is the uniform is like in the US Air Force guy. Jacket. Riding the coal. Ready for duty. Small one. Dressed in the best. Arctic suit for Arctic pilot. This is interesting. The beginning. So this is like the space section, and I believe this is like the 3D simulator, the flight simulator. If you, oh, this is for how do you feel like you are in this Beechcraft C45? So you can try. We have simulating and everything. What is this one? Look at this airplane. Ooh, this is from Star Wars, X-Wing Starfighter. This is so cool. This is from the Star Wars, like in the movie. So I'm sure this is like kind of the future. The guider. Oh. What is this? I think this one they simulate what is it like in the spaceship. It's pretty cool. So you can see International Space Station. Yeah, you're in a spaceship now. Everyone, hello. After you visit, you can buy all kind of souvenirs. Look at this bag, it's so cute. It's about $29.95, and then they have the hat that looks so cool. It's $30. Black t-shirt, like airplane, and have Star Wars, and all the shark, and then this patch. Oh my god, look at that, it's such a cute. All the patch, all the model airplane, and here all of the cap.
Why should I care? Please don't bother trying to find her. She's not there. Well, I'm not trying to find her. The way she acts at the car.
That's it, our visit. And then here we come out to see the B-52. That's the hangar number 2. I think that's US Air Force. B-52. The bar. What is that? Is that
Nutritional facts.
Oh wow, that's cool. I will take one. Lamb.
Do you want some too?
Yes, please.
I need somebody to move that phone.
Yes, sir.
This is the lamb.
All right, ma'am. You ready, ma'am?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Thank you. Thank you. I have one more, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
It's pecan, huh? This is my favorite. It's the sirloin. This is the frank steak. Thank you.
Oh, sorry. Here.
Okay, so who's playing for Mama? Who wants it? Really, who wants it?
Just her.
All right, y'all got the hot potato.
I know.
thing,
We
you know.
can't
No,
make
she
our
wants it. She wants it.
Go.
It's the real.
It's okay, you're falling asleep now.
Hey, you're trying to play with my head. Yeah, okay. You want a barbecue fever, right?
I know, right?
No!
It's Memorial Day, right?
Thank you.
Yeah, that would be a... I see what it was.
What?
You need a model?
I'm sorry.
Spicy. You never tasted that spicy one?
Yep.
Where you got
good.
the lime? Did you got the lime?
These two are my favorite ones.
The lamb is my favorite. Alright, now go.
All right.
Ma'am, are you going to stop playing with my hand?
Thank you. Ryan, you came.
Show you guys what they have at the salad bar, Texas New Brazil. This is goat cheese, smoked salmon, ceviche, pineapple, carpaccio, potato salad, asparagus. I'm not what is this, but it's so good. Artisan salami, and then all kind of condiment here. And then salad dressing, blue cheese dressing, balsamic vinaigrette, taboo. This is the fresh cheese. This is the American. This is like a green cheese. And then they have more salad, fresh tomato, and then green bean. Oh, and the bean sauce. Also the chimichurri. They have all kind of organic olive oil here and beautiful flowers. And the atmosphere is very nice, as you can see. And then for the soup today, they have is the lobster bricks. Ooh. Lobster brick soups is very hot. And then this is, I think it's black bean sauce. Farro rice. Satay mushroom. This one is the mushroom. Potato or gratin. And this is the atmosphere. And I want to show you guys like how they do the meat. Here, this is the kitchen. Hi. Hi. This is all the good meat that they're working on. It's so good. Oh, okay.
I'll just fly through these real quick with descriptions for you. That is coconut chest pie, basically a coconut cream pie, fresh shredded coconut on top. We always recommend it a la mode, so heat it up with vanilla ice cream. Banana foster cream pie has a ladyfinger cake base, a little layer of fudge under that. Banana foster whipped cream frosting, caramel drizzled on top, and a graham cracker crust. Chocolate mousse cake has milk chocolate mousse, white chocolate mousse, and chocolate ganache on top. Chocolate cake throughout. Crushed Brazilian nuts from the bottom to the back. Carrot cake is everything in it that you normally associate with carrot cake, except for raisins, no raisins. Cream cheese frosting on top, the back, 2 more layers throughout. Dusted with pistachio, adobo, whipped cream, crushed pecans, and walnuts in the back. Brazilian cheesecake has chocolate fudge cheesecake, regular New York, caramel on top, crushed Brazilian nuts, and a graham cracker crust. Traditional key lime pie, it's made with real Florida key lime, graham cracker crust, key lime based with whipped cream topping.
Key lime pie.
This is caramelized pecan pie. We also recommend to eat it up with vanilla ice cream. Citrus infused creme brulee. And that we also offer flame brulee, where we take a shot of Grand Marnier, which is citrus liqueur. We light it on fire, drizzle it over the top. Helps bake in the citrus flavor, and it looks cool. Also flan. And right now we have 2 homemade Brazilian desserts just for springtime. One of them is called papayas and cream. It's a Brazilian papaya milkshake with fresh papaya, sweetened condensed milk, and vanilla ice cream. We pour a little bit of black raspberry liqueur on top for free if you like. The other one is called passion fruit mousse. Comes in a little creme brulee dish. The bottom is a homemade graham cracker crust. Then it's got the mousse made out of fresh passion fruit, heavy cream, and sweet condensed milk. And on top it has shaved chocolate. Lastly, I have liquor 43. This one is a sweet syrupy Spanish liqueur, a mix of 43 different botanical herbs and spices. Secret family recipe. This one's not only to 3 people. They don't even ride in the same airplane together. Also really good for digestion after a heavy meal. Normally we'll serve this one as a shot in a little mini beer mug, a bit of heavy cream on top, so it looks just like a little beer. If you shoot it back, it tastes like vanilla milkshake. Or we'll serve it shaken over ice with milk and cinnamon. Tastes just like a shot. It's called Puente con leche. Or you can get it shaken over ice with espresso. That's called Carajillo. It's going to taste like a nice vanilla latte.
Oh my gosh. Let me guess what he's gonna get. Key lime pie.
I kind of want 2.
But they have 2 Brazilian desserts that is like more exotic.
I know. I kind of feel like I kind of think about the papaya thing and the latte.
Whatever is your birthday.
Have key lime pie whenever.
Exactly. I agree with you, Ewa.
Oh my Christ.
What is the other one?
One's a milkshake, the other one's like a mousse, like a sweet yogurt with a graham cracker crust on the bottom.
I feel like
the cake. I mean, yeah, see? Look at this wine cellar room. It's pretty cool. It's a whole wine cellar tower.
No. ¿Tú? Ah, sí.
Then this is all different kind of meat that they prepare before they're gonna roll it out for serving. So I think this is just a salt. So they have like, I think that is butter. And yeah, it's interesting. Here we are. Lighting the candle for Ryan for his birthday cake. Woohoo! The cake from Tous Les Jours. So pretty. Someone get her to serve it. Okay, let us sing. Alright, ready? Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ryan. Happy birthday to you and many more. You like Tous Les Jours cake? It's the best. Hey, wow, what do you think? It's so good. This is the best cake we can find in Colorado right now. Tous Les Jours. Thank you for watching Lady Golden Lotus channel. Bye for now.